Hey, welcome back to my channel, Duct Tape Mechanic. In this video, I'll be reviewing a 1000 volt rated Knipex pliers and screwdriver set I picked up on Amazon. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Duct Tape Mechanic. This video is a review on the Knipex insulated tool set, also called the Tradesman set. Part number 989821 US. The tool set was around 90 bucks on Amazon, which is a little expensive for 5 tools. However, if you follow this channel a lot, you know I work a lot with electricity and electronics. Right off the bat, I noticed that the 3 screwdrivers in the set are not made by Knipex, but instead made by another German company called Witty Max Pro. I was a little bit disappointed by the fact that they weren't made by Knipex, since they're being sold under that label. However, Knipex apparently doesn't make screwdrivers, so they go through this company, Max Pro, for the screwdrivers. Nonetheless, all the tools are rated at 1000 volts, as stated on the back of the box. As it also states on the back of the box, just because it's rated at 1000 volts doesn't mean you should use these tools on live electricity. The first tool we'll look at is the combination pliers. This is individual part number 0208225 US. I probably use combination pliers to cut wire more than I use wire cutters. These pliers are 9 inches long and are high leverage pliers, meaning not much force is required to operate them. I was able to easily cut through 14 gauge wire with these pliers. Overall, they feel very comfortable and are heavily insulated, as you would expect 1000 volt pliers to be, and have a nice heavy duty feel to them. The next tool is the wire cutters, part number 7408200 US. The wire cutters are 8 inches long and are also high leverage. They're diagonal cutters, so cutting through hard and soft wires shouldn't be a problem. They're attached using a forged rivet, so that should help this tool be very durable. They also have a nice sturdy feel to them. They cut through the 14 gauge wire fairly easily, even though I feel the combination pliers are a little bit easier to use than the wire cutters in terms of cutting through wire. That's just my preference. Next up is the Witty Max Pro square drive screwdriver. Its part number is 54812, and it's 4 inches long with a number 2 square drive. It's made of high alloy steel and has a fairly comfortable grip. This is probably the tool I'll be using the least because I don't deal with fasteners that require a square drive all that much. Next up, we have the Max Pro slotted screwdriver. Its part number is 53705. It's a 5-inch by 732-inch slotted screwdriver. It's got a triangle handle for great grip and a hole in the handle just in case if you wanted to clip it to a tool belt. It really feels like it's really high quality, and I could definitely see myself using this on a daily basis on multiple different applications. Lastly, we have the Phillips screwdriver. This is part number 53712. It's a 4-inch number 2 Phillips screwdriver. The blade, insulation, and handle are all one unit, as is the case for all the screwdrivers in this set. It's comfortable to grip and will be well used throughout its entire life. I can tell you that for sure. Also, like the rest of the screwdrivers, it's got a logo on the back of the handle, so you can easily identify which one it is if you have it in a tool belt. The only real thing I dislike about this set is that there's no storage case or pouch that comes with it. For the price you pay for the set, I think it is only fair if some sort of storage is provided. I quickly remedied this problem by going to the Dollar Tree and buying a apocalypse-proof toolbox. Overall, I would give this set a 8.5 out of 10, and I would recommend it to anybody who does a lot of electrical work, because safety has no compromise. With that being said, if you do electrical work once or twice a year, there are other sets that are also rated at 1,000 volts that you could probably get for half the price. So with that being said, I hope you like this review, and please remember to smash the thumbs up sign.